Did you know Microsoft is literally giving you free money? I earned 37,000 points without spending a single rupee and turned them into real grocery and cash. Here's how. So again, welcome back with another video. Let me show you exactly how I did it step by step. Step 1. Click the link in the description and create your Microsoft account. Because if you use my referral link, both of us will receive an additional points. Once you're in, you'll get daily tasks like searching on Bing, taking quick quizzes, and using Microsoft Edge. Each action gives you points. And trust me, it adds up faster than you think. You can also make more points through your referral link, like share your link with your friends and relatives, and just nothing more. Once you create your account through my referral link, once you hit the target of your preferred gift card, boom, you can redeem it easily. I chose Metro and bought groceries, but you can also pick gaming, Habit, Shop On, or other brands. Want to make cash? Here's my strategy. Just redeem Metro gift card and order some grocery like milk carton, beverages, or any other in wholesale price. Once you have received the order, then sell them to a local store and get the real cash in hand. 100% profit from zero investment. This isn't a scam, it's Microsoft. You use Bing, earn points, redeem gift cards, and flip it for profit. Click the referral link below, start earning today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for tech updates.